Hello and welcome to your 5-minute meditation. Take the opportunity now to find your comfortable position to either sit or lie in, and then we'll be ready to begin. So as you begin to rest down, feel your body softening and melting into that comfortable position. Each breath you exhale, just to feel yourself sinking down, relaxing and melting. And then you may like to close your eyes or lower your gaze if you haven't done so already. Just begin to focus on the sound of your breath as you breathe in and out. The sound of the air moving through your nose or mouth. Think of every breath in as drawing in fresh prana or energy. And as you breathe out, exhaling any tension, stresses or discomfort. And then just notice how you're feeling. As your body softened, melted down any further. And then take your attention to your left leg and breathe into your left leg and exhale the air back out. So you're inhaling and exhaling into the left leg. And then on your next breath, begin breathing into the left arm. Inhaling all the way down to the fingertips and exhaling back out. And then on your next breath, begin to breathe into the whole of the left side of your body, your legs, your arm, all the way up, filling up the left side of your head, allowing that to exhale and soften. And then on your next breath, begin breathing into your right leg, filling the right leg with air, exhaling and softening, and then repeating that. And then breathing into the right arm, filling all the way up to the right fingertips with air, exhaling and softening the right arm. And then you may like to breathe into the whole of the right side of the body, filling up the leg and the arm on the right side, all the way up the neck and the shoulders to the top of the right side of the head. And then on your next breath, begin drawing the air into both arms and legs, filling all of your limbs with air as you inhale, and then exhaling them to soften. Not trying to force the breath, just allowing the breath to come and go and directing it with your mind. And then we'll begin to let go of the directing of the breath. Just allow the body to breathe how it wants to breathe, still relaxing back. Just enjoying this moment of being rather than doing. it's time to bring some energy to your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Coming back to real life. And we can say namaste. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.